First of all, we have to connect our Android phone with computer using the charging cable. So go ahead and connect your both devices with the charging cable. Once you inserted the cable on your Android phone, you get a notification. So open your notification, tap on USB for charging phone. In here, we have to select transferring files and then verify your phone lock. And now your phone and your computer are ready to transfer files between these two devices. All you have to need on your computer, open File Explorer and go to the folder which folder contains your files that will transfer to your Android phone. And now select those photos, videos, files, documents you want to send to your mobile phone. Once you select it, right click on any of the selected items. Click on show more options. In here, hover over on send to, and in here you'll find your Android phone. Just tap on your device name, and that's it. All of your selected items have been transferred to your Android phone. Or you can just manually send. Here's how to do it. Select those items, press Ctrl C to copy all of them. Now under devices, here you will find your Android phone. Open your Android phone, go to internal storage, go to a folder where you want to transfer your files. So in my case, I'm just going to this download folder. In here, clicking this paste icon, or you can press Ctrl V to paste. And now if I go to my Android phone gallery, as you can see, all of my computer selected items have been stored in my Android phone gallery. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.